Hi, I'm Jenny from Connecteam, and in this video, I'll show you how to streamline your operational communication. Connecteam is an all-in-one employee management app designed to help businesses manage, train, and communicate with their deskless employees straight from their mobile devices. Keeping your team aligned in real time is vital for any operation. Connecteam's communication hub acts as your central point for all team interactions. Whether you need to send company-wide updates, task-specific reminders, or just check in with team members, it's all handled through one unified location. Let's dive in. Connecteam features an in-app chat built specifically for running your business, keeping all communication professional, organized, and completely separate from the personal messaging apps your employees use in their daily lives. This separation is vital for maintaining a clear boundary between work and personal life. Need to publicly discuss a shift-related matter or resolve an issue in real time? With Connecteam, you can easily connect with your team using group chats, share photos, documents, and updates to ensure everyone is informed and aligned. And for private conversations, Connecteam offers seamless one-on-one chats. Managers can engage directly with team members to provide feedback, address sensitive topics, or handle confidential matters discreetly. By keeping communication on a dedicated business platform, you foster professionalism while respecting the personal boundaries of your employees. Keeping your team informed with the latest updates is essential for smooth operations. With Connecteam's Updates feature, you can post important announcements, company news, and essential reminders right in your company feed. These updates appear instantly for everyone in your organization, ensuring that no one misses important information, whether it's a policy change, an upcoming event, or a shift update. With the feed, your team can also engage with posts by liking, commenting, or acknowledging key updates, creating a two-way communication channel to boost collaboration. Best of all, you get clear visibility of who read your important information, and the updates can stay visible at the top of the feed until they've been seen by all team members, giving you the ability to track engagement and ensure the message gets across. Structured communication should be set in place when there's a need for standardized and fixed information to get across. With Connecteam's Forms tool, you can create custom forms that team members can fill out directly from their mobile devices. Forms can be used for anything from daily safety inspections to maintenance reports or customer feedback. Once completed, these forms are instantly submitted and stored, ensuring real-time communication on operational tasks and eliminating delays from paper-based reporting. Connecteam's Help Desk is an internal ticketing system designed to handle employee queries and issues, ensuring that your team gets the help they need fast and efficiently. A dedicated channel for employees to submit questions, raise issues, or request support in specific topics. As a form of chat, it ensures that every request is tracked, resolved efficiently, and leaves employees feeling heard and valued. This feature not only reduces confusion, but also helps streamline communication between employees and management, so your team can focus on what matters, getting the job done. Connecteam's communication features keep your team connected, informed, and aligned, whether they're in one or many locations, in an office or out in the field. From instant updates to one-on-one or group chats, form submissions, and a robust internal ticketing system, Connecteam has you covered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more of our features to optimize your operational communications today.